Your road's quite rough, eh?
Yeah, it is quite rough. But we're the DustBugs.
Yeah, that we are.
Okay, are we back in town? They've got a nice view from here.
I think when we go around that way, we might see a bit more of the town from higher up.
Definitely.
There's a Middelpos in the distance.
Yeah. Hi. Typical kids get all excited, eh? This looks like a school over here.
It does. But it's holiday at the moment.
Look at the big stands, eh? Wow.
Yeah. They don't come like that anymore.
No, not at all.
Imagine, I don't know if there ever were a time where they had like lawns and luscious gardens.
It's not like that. It's Karoo. I don't think they have it.
Luscious gardens. That's the charm though.
Yeah. It's not very clear. This here says that it's just in remembrance of the Great Trek, and they did this in 1988, 7th of November 1988. They put the tracks of the wagons and the hooves of the oxen and whatever. And yes, another one that's in here. Now there's no dates on this. Here's the supermarket in Williston. This reminds me so much of like a cash and carry. Hi. I'm telling you, you only find this on these small plattelandse dorpes. I've never seen this. Yeah. Gelatin you buy already. It's like ginger. Look at this. Only in Williston. Only in Williston, let me tell you. I love it. There's our place, Karoohuis. Okay, we just arrived, checked in. Gonna bring in the luggage now. I just want to show you what our posse looks like. Yeah, I'm telling you. Old school. Shower stunning. Walk out the backyard. And this is what you see. You can sit here. There's a little braai. And they've had so much rain here. It's incredible. The owner says he's got a farm outside here and they've had rain since October last year. They've been having rain. Some places over 300 millimeters of rain. That's crazy for the Karoo. Okay, Karoohuis. We've done our night stint here at the Karoohuis, and it was really a pleasure. This is the house where we stayed. There's not a breeze blowing. Bit of a chill in the air, eh?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Oh, here's Mrs. van Skalkwijk's house.
Right, yeah, Mrs. van Skalkwijk's house. Williston at 21. Interesting story about here. Yesterday when we came here, we came to get the key from her to go and see those corbelled houses. And a farmer came and he delivered crates and crates of tomatoes and put them on her veranda here. And because they had so much rain here since October last year, they've had over 300 millimeters of rain, which is out of character for the whole area. They put the tomatoes here on the veranda for the community to come and collect for free, because they've got so many tomatoes they don't know what to do with them.
Unbelievable.
Incredible.
Yeah,
and you should have seen the people come here with their buckies and take tomatoes,
Yeah.
bags, collect tomatoes.
Unbelievable.
Incredible. That's what a small community does, eh?
Yep.
Hello. Okay, so we've just had some breakfast at Manor, where we were yesterday. Stopping at the coöperasie to get some meat, and then we're hitting our way to Middelpos. Williston Vleiskoöperasie. This is where one buys 100% Karoo lamb in the heart of the Karoo. So I've got my chops and they're busy getting me what they call oortjies. I don't know what that is. Here we are departing out of Williston.
We spent quite a bit of time here.
Yeah, we did, eh? We got here early yesterday. Spent a good few hours here in Williston.
Yeah.
Couldn't get into the museum.
But we saw a lot of other things.
Yeah, definitely.
So now it's on to Middelpos.
Middelpos, here we come.